Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2024 Brinkley. This is a Model Z 2900, and we also have a 3610. So both of these are available. If you're watching one, check out the other. And we're at Bill Thomas Camper, Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used service and parts. They just started carrying the Brinkley line, and I've shot them before, but they are so impressive. I love the wheels that they put on the Brinkley. We'll get inside where it's a little warmer. Actually, it's colder inside now, I think now, because the sun's out. There's the 2900 badging. But I've been thinking as I've been walking through, and the word I want to use is elegant. The Brinkley is just such an elegant RV, so well laid out. The fit and finish, just very, very nice. And we'll get around to the pantry here in a minute, but just check out this table. No legs to interfere with. We have storage underneath the bench, and I just really like the leather effect on the two seating as well as on your theater seating. You have a phone charger right in the middle. You have your controls for your heat and your vibrate. And before I get to the TV, and my fingertips are cold because it's cold out, but just really, like I said, elegant. Look at the width on that fireplace. Then we have a televator above. Nice microwave oven, a wide one. 3-burner cooktop. I really like, so you have recycle and trash, or you have your kitchen waste, you know, lettuce and trimmings that you could take and throw out if you're an environmentalist. And I love the under island lighting. And then above we have the pendant lighting. Just really, really nice. You have a planning station. We have your French doors, side-by-side refrigerator and freezer. I really like this pantry. And I would say that's a 7-foot door. Nice LED lighting, adjustable shelves, easy close door. We'll work our way upstairs. And when you see this bathroom, I think you're really going to be impressed. So right off the bat, you have a mirror there. You also have the very nice hooks to hang up things. And this is for your toilet paper. So you stack the extra rolls, and then you put the one that is in use at the very top. Your commode. And I'm going to shoot this bathroom in a little bit different manner. Try keeping myself out of the mirrors. And then this is the other view or angle coming from the bedroom. So check out that shower. So you have lighting. Let me duck down. You can see the lights there. I could just imagine at night having that on and nothing else, and just very, very nice. And as far as your shower is concerned, you have your rain head, you have additional side jets, you have a handheld, you have 2 baskets or bins for your sponges, washcloths. Very, very nice. And then we're into the bedroom. I'll swing around. You can see how large this cabinet is for your hang-up clothes. And then we have a bank of 4 drawers, cabinets on both left and right of the bed. We have 3 in the middle and 1 on each side. We have lighting there on both sides. And then, well, before I do, I just want to show you the bed. Look how deep that bed is. And I just noticed there's accent lighting or task lighting, so when you're walking. And then look at that wall. Beautiful TV at a really nice angle if you want to watch TV. And then these nice, I guess I kind of like English Tudor, and check out these hooks that flip down if you want to hang something. Really, really an elegant RV. So again, this is the Model Z by Brinkley, the 2900, and it's available at Bill Thomas Camper, Wentzville, Missouri. thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed bringing this one to you. I've shot Brinkley before, but they just got the Brinkley line in at this dealership, and it's just so, so nice. So thanks again. Have a great day, and come back for more. Thanks again.